Hey, what's up, guys? Today I have a product, and in my description there will be a link of where to buy. So if you're looking for a square and some pencil, this is the one. Like I said, in my description there will be a link of where to buy. So you get your square with all the measurements and all. Very nice quality. I've been using it and it works great before I did this video. And then you get 5 pencils. You can never get enough pencils, I tell you that right now. So we get 5 of them. I did sharpen one, pretty good. So love it, love it. So in my description there will be a link of where to buy. Awesome.